ears pierced?
I think he is. Can you give him some perfume, Megan?
Yes. That is sprinkled on his head.
Oh, look, he's putting on a little blush.
Are you gonna still be the hair cutter?
Uh-huh.
Me and you.
Uh-oh, he wants his earring back on. Daddy would be so proud.
Why? How come?
You gonna put some makeup on Megan? Bye, guys.